Hello, today we're going to make a cup and saucer bird feeder. Super quick, super easy, perfect for mom. You'll need some E6000 and a cup and a saucer. You'll want to just try it out first, put your cup and saucer together, and then you'll want to put your E6000 in the hole of the saucer and on the back of the cup where the two will meet. Then set it there and leave it for about 24 hours so it dries really well. Then you'll just take a rope or a chain, put a knot in it, and then you will just run it through underneath the handle of the cup and then loop it. And you should have a loop to be able to hang it. Fill it with bird food, and I think you are good to go. Any mom would love this. So I hope you make one. Tag me when you do. Thanks for stopping by today.